Hello students, welcome to my channel Your Weekend Tutor. So today as if in the last class we have learned few questions of chemical reactions and equations, and today this session we will be continuing with the same concepts which is related to chemical reactions and equations, and today is day 7. Okay, now let's start with the questions. So what is the first question? Write the balanced chemical equation for the following reactions. So what is the reaction? The reaction is, for this reaction we have to write the balanced chemical equation. So first we have to convert this word equation into a chemical equation, like normal symbolic equation. Okay, so what is it? Given when solid mercury oxide, what? When solid mercury oxide is heated, liquid mercury and oxygen gas are produced. So what is it given here? Solid mercury, that is solid mercury oxide, that is HgO, which is in solid state, will be giving you liquid mercury, that means mercury, just a mercury which is in liquid state, and oxygen. So it is giving you oxygen as this is a gas, right? So that means generally solid will be represented as S, liquid will be represented as L, gas will be represented as G, and aqueous solution, whenever aqueous solution we will be writing as AQ, right? So now what we have to do, this we have to balance it. So here we have 2 oxygen, so here we have only 1 oxygen. So what we need to put? We need to put 2. So here 2 mercury is there, here we have only 1 mercury, so we will be writing 2 here. So that means this is balanced, right? Got it? Now we'll be moving on to the next question. First we'll erase this all, we will make some space. Okay, I think people are following it and is very useful. I hope it is very useful for you, right? So now the next question is, silver is precipitated. What is its precipitated? Silver is precipitated out when copper stripped is dipped in silver nitrate. So first we will finish till here. So what is told here, what is said? Silver is precipitated out when a copper strip is dipped in silver nitrate. So first write down copper, which is a solid. So that copper is dipped in which solution? Silver nitrate, that is AgNO3 solution, right? So solution means what? Aqueous. So this will be giving, what is it giving? The solution turns blue due to formation of copper to nitrate. What is it formed? Copper to nitrate. That means copper NO3 taken twice. So what is it? It is a precipitate. No, sorry. Next, it will be giving silver, and this silver which is a precipitate, and this is a aqueous solution. Got it? Now what we will be? We have to balance the chemical equation, right? So here what is given here? Copper is there, 1 copper. Here Ag3. Here NO3, it is given 2 times, right? So what we need to put? You need to put 2 over here as a coefficient. And now what has changed? Silver is changed, 2 moles of silver is present. So here we will be writing 2 moles, right? Got it? Now moving on to the next question. So when lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide, a yellow precipitate of what will be formed when lead nitrate, that is PbNiO3, NO3 taken twice is reacted with potassium iodide. So this is a nitrate, right? What will be formed? So here what is forming? PbI2, which is a yellow precipitate. What is it? Which is a yellow precipitate and will be forming KNO3. So what happened here? This nitrate is being replaced with iodine. Okay, so what has formed? It is formed a precipitate. In which type of reaction the precipitates will be formed? You know it very well. So that is double displacement. So that means this reaction is a double displacement reaction, right? So what is the correct answer? What is the yellow precipitate that will be formed? Sorry, here actually it should be small b. So the right answer is PbI2. Okay, so the next question, which of the following statement is true? Which of the following statements is true? Total mass of the substance remains the same in the chemical reaction. So in the reactants, how much mass is there? When it converts to product also, it will be having the same mass. So this is correct. A chemical change is permanent and irreversible. Obviously it's correct, because in a chemical change a new substance will be formed, where that new substance cannot be backward and formed the reactant. So it is irreversible. So this is also correct. A physical change is temporary and is generally reversible. So physical change is something, for example, we tear a paper. So that is a physical change. That tearing a paper, we can attach it by some other ways. So it is a reversible. So all these are correct. Which of the following metals is produced by layer of oxides? So which of the following is protected by layers of oxides? So for suppose copper is there, iron is there, silver is there, and aluminium is there. So which will be protected by the layer of oxides? So what is it? Iron oxide. So Fe2O3, okay, FeO. So iron oxide. Anything, this will be protected. Iron will be protected by the layer of oxides. Which of the following is not a chemical reaction? So what is a chemical reaction? Where you will be forming a new substance. Okay, souring of milk. Is it a chemical reaction? No. Dissolution of sugar in water. That means we are mixing, it is forming a sugar solution. Is it a chemical reaction? No. Rusting of iron. Obviously, see what is happening? Iron, it is being reacting in presence of air and it is forming iron oxide, right? So this is a correct answer, right? So I hope this type of questions is very helpful to you, so that you can practice it for the exams. Okay, so this is all for today, and we will be coming up with the next 5 more questions in the next class. Okay, so bye bye. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you.